going on, guys? Welcome back to DRock Fishing. Got another DIY video for y'all. This one's gonna be a install of a deluxe anchor trolley, and I'm gonna be installing it on my Perception Pescador Pro 100. I chose Yak Gear deluxe anchor trolley. I got it at Academy, 32 bucks. Comes with everything you need except for this. You need a drill, screwdriver, some pliers, you need some drill bits. Got a brand new pack, 3/8 and 5/32. You also need silicone. All right, guys, so you're gonna need a 3/8 inch drill bit, and you're gonna need a measure. They say 9 to 12 inches from the bow, 9 to 12 inches from the stern. All right, so it's hard to mark through this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these screws that came with it, halfway install them. All right, so we got that done on both of them. Just go ahead and measure. I'm gonna do 12 inches and 3 inches. Also, guys, make sure your pulley is facing that way, and in the back, make sure your pulley is facing this way. We're gonna mark it. All right, and there we go. Now you just screw this in tight. Since it's got rubber on the other end, should make it waterproof. On this one, guys, you do not put any sealant. Alright, I guess that's good. Let's do the same thing in the back. 12 inches about here with the R's at. And go right there. Alright, remember what I said on the back? You want your pulley facing that way. Alright. Awesome. Okay, so for the pad eye, you're going to be using 5/32 right here. Okay, halfway between your seat and the bow. So here we're about 6 feet, so I'm going to go 3 feet. On the back, it says also to go halfway between that and the seat. 4 feet will go around there, around the 2 feet. So we're gonna go here under the T. Also, guys, make sure that the top of your pad eye is facing towards the front, and when you go to the back, you go here, make sure the top of your pad eye is facing the back. Don't go all the way in, guys. You might thread it, so make sure you go do the rest by hand or with the screwdriver. All right, so next is the Zig Zag Cleat. All right, so the seat's right here. You want it within arm's reach. We're gonna go right here for the cleat. I already marked it. Gonna put some sealant in the back of the cleat. All right, now we just need to run the rope. Took a quick break. Kids were bored inside, so they came outside to enjoy the water. All right, now let's get back to it. So the instructions say to feed it up through the first pulley, back this way, through the pad eye, back through your second pad eye, down into the pulley. So what it says is to give yourself enough room for 12 inches. So we'll cut around right here. You're gonna have to do a fisherman's knot. Grab a triangle. So give yourself about 12 inches. Two, three. Let's do 5. Alright, and it's just to leave about 2-3 inches at the end in case this thing gets shorter or longer, vice versa. You have a little bit of slack to cut off. Okay, so I use the cleat to pull out the slack. What you have to do is put the little shrink wrap that they included in there, and then pull out your slack right there. And then they include some little clamps or crimps. Comes with 2 of them. Put them right next to each other. All right. It is hot outside, guys. All right. Okay, so we already cut off the tag end. Run this little shrink wrap through, and you can use a heat source to shrink it up. I'm surprised it's not shrinking with just the sun hitting it. All right. There it is, guys. It's done. Now, while I'm out here, already sweating, already working, we're gonna install some rod holders, because from what I've seen on the reviews, these aren't too great. So you can see that on the next video. I'll put a link in the description right here.